Yeah, thank you for
Yeah,
your email. I did receive your
yeah,
email. Mm-hmm.
yes. Okay, that's good. Um, Regarding my email,
Mm-hmm.
I have some questions.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you can help us.
Go ahead.
I have a buyer,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a very big buyer,
Mm-hmm.
and he's from Austria,
Mm-hmm.
and the mandate is in Japan.
Okay.
They want uh, gold
Mm-hmm.
and a lot of gold. A lot of gold. I like to know what do you have available at the moment?
We have tons of gold.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How much? How many kgs do you have at the
Tons of
moment?
gold. It depends on the buyer's capacity to secure. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Normally for them, um, yeah, 100, 200, 300, till 500 kgs is
Mm-hmm.
normal to them.
Okay.
It's very normal to them, and if if you and if you can supply, or the seller can supply every 2 weeks 250 or 300 kgs,
Mm-hmm.
is also okay. But
Mm-hmm.
if the seller has also a spot,
We do.
if it is
We do have.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
it could also be 1,000. I don't know if you have that,
We do.
but if you do have,
Yes.
okay. If you do have, then we will just a minute.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So I think if you read the procedure, the buyer has to send a letter of interest coming from him for me to validate so that I would
Okay.
know
What I
which
have.
seller I'm going to
What?
place because I
Okay.
handle Mali, Conakry, Gambia, and Sierra
Mm-hmm.
Leone. So when I receive the
Okay.
buyer's credential, then I would determine which seller I'm going to take the buyer to travel to Africa.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What I have the buyer CIS and his QIC. I have it.
Mm-hmm.
So I can send it to you,
Mm-hmm.
and you can also prepare an SPA.
Okay.
An
Silita,
SPA.
we
But
don't sell
yeah.
CIF. We don't sell CIF, cost insurance and freight. That is normal that the buyer has to pay the gold plus shipping cost and insurance. We don't deal
Yes.
CIF. We don't. This is FOB. Mhm.
Oh, FOB.
That's right.
Okay, this is FOB. Okay,
Must
I need to
must be
discuss
bank to
this with
bank.
him.
Must be bank to bank.
The,
Mhm.
so, but you are doing cash and carry?
No, we advise the buyer to ship it because if you carry, when you travel and then you're gonna stop over on the transit, um,
Uh-huh.
you might encounter problem because you are
Okay.
carrying precious mineral. So you need to have
Uh-huh.
a lot of paperwork. You need to have export documentation before the gold will leave the country of origin. You cannot just hand
Uh-huh.
carry without any proper documentation or else you're gonna be arrested as a smuggler. Mm,
Okay. So only you are doing only FOB,
that's correct. Bank to bank. That's right.
bank to bank.
That's correct.
Okay. Um, can you provide them the from the seller also a CIS and
We will
QIS?
do. Well, I think if you
Mm-hmm.
read the procedure properly, because that is extensive and I explain it just like an
Mm-hmm.
elementary. If you go back and
Mm-hmm.
read properly and digest it, I'm sure you would understand. I'll give you my position, my background, okay, so that you will
Yeah.
understand. I am the
Yeah.
extension of the seller. I am.
Uh-huh.
And
Yeah.
I was the one who introduced this. I was the one who promote Africa. Okay? I promote Africa to the world. That is why everybody come to Wilhelmina, because I put everything on YouTube channel, on Facebook, anything. So that easy for the buyer to comprehend. When the seller hired Wilhelmina, the seller didn't explain to me like this. He didn't. I have to gather what necessary requirement. Now, the requirement that the buyer has to follow, it is already that on the procedure that I sent it to you. So what you have to do, you have to tell the buyer's agent from Japan that he has to understand, because this is precious mineral. This is not an easy business. This is gold. This is world asset. This is world asset. That is why I send you very extensive the procedure, what necessary requirement the buyer will comply. And when I receive the letter of interest from the buyer, then we will respond to the buyer. How many quantity on the letter of interest, he needs to emphasize how many quantity the buyer wants on the first, like 100 kilos. We will confirm the 100 kilos. Is this a long term or the short term? So the buyer has to emphasize that, because Wilhelmina will reject you and the buyer's agent. I will be the one to vouch it. I'll be the one to examine the buyer's credential. If I'm not satisfied, you are going to be rejected by Wilhelmina. Yeah.
Okay. Is it also acceptable to receive the buyer CIS and QIC instead of the LOI?
No, what you have to do, you need to ask the buyer. Because I'm going to require. I'm very thorough. I need the buyer business registration. When the buyer send a letter of interest, Selena, the buyer will specify on his company letterhead how many quantity he wants to secure on the first shipment, second and third and fourth, and what carat he is looking for, what purity he is looking for, because this is unrefined. This is not refined. The refined, the price of gold refined is $107,000. On unrefined, which is Doribar, is $98,000 per kilo. Our selling price is less 8%, regardless the world market price, regardless. So that is the reason why I put everything. If you did you read the procedure properly when I sent it to you by email?
I need to read. I need to read it properly, because I saw it, but I don't read any more of it.
Yeah.
Because it was this morning I had to my private things to do. So I saw it. I see that you sent it. So I need to read it properly, and then I will send it to them. I will explain this also to them. Do you have also the refinery of Ghana?
No, you cannot buy gold in Ghana anymore, because the government.
No, I know.
You cannot.
No, you need to buy it on
to the government.
Ghana bought.
That's correct.
Yeah.
I used to handle Ghana before. I don't.
Work with them?
I don't.
Working with them?
No, I used to handle Ghana, but I terminated my agreement with the seller, because it's really very messy, because most of the seller doesn't service the buyer properly, and I have a difficulty dealing with them. So I terminated the agreement that I have with the seller. You cannot buy gold in Ghana anymore. You have to buy directly to the gold bond, to the government.
Yes, to the government. I know. You have which refinery do you work with?
If I'll place your buyer to Mali, Mali has a refinery like DNGM.
Mali is a very it's a
Kankamusa.
very place to go.
Kankamusa, a Russian refinery, and Marina. You cannot buy gold to Russian refinery because they are buying gold.
No, but
you cannot.
We are not talking about Russia now because of all the sanctions.
But I've been to Mali. I've been to Mali, but you need to deal to the right seller because there are so many sellers in Mali. Because Mali has a 4,500 small miner.
Yeah.
Okay.
But accept Mali because I know the situation in Mali. Accept Mali. Which are the
I can bring it to you either Gambia or Sierra Leone at the moment.
Gambia also.
Yeah.
Gambia?
Yes, or Sierra Leone at the moment. Conakry.
Sierra Leone.
Yeah, or Conakry, Guinea. Oh. Conakry, Guinea.
Oh, Conakry, Guinea. Okay, Guinea.
Yeah.
Conakry.
But at the moment, Guinea, Conakry, the government, it's a little bit, I think the government has changed because of the election. And you wouldn't get the gold in Guinea if you are not really an elite buyer because the seller wouldn't sell his gold cheap price. There is always a price. I think if you read on my on your WhatsApp, I've given you the price of the day. Did I not give you the price of the day? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. I saw it. Okay. The sellers from Conakry are also bringing the goods when they have a buyer to the central bank.
Okay. This is the policy. No, central bank is only to give the seller a certificate of clearance. Now, I've been to Conakry last month, okay? So I have to explain it to you.
Yeah.
You come to the office of the seller because he owned the gold. And the seller, before you travel, for example, before you travel, you need to have a contract prior to your arrival. So that the seller would invite you that you are special guest of the seller. So the gold will be inspected in the office.
They told me also.
Yeah. So the gold will be inspected in the office. You inspect. You like it. Then when you like it, let us proceed. But the contract has already been prepared prior to your arrival. So you're going to say, okay, 100 kilos. You inspect the 100 kilos. So when you're happy, then you proceed. The seller would ask you a deposit. Because when they bring the gold to a central bank, the owner of the gold has a license to export. He will send a letter to the central bank that he is going to bring the gold in order to expect to you to export to you. So when the seller bring the gold stays at the central bank. So your deposit can be discussed in the office, whether you pay the deposit of 20% or 30% or 40% can be discussed in the office. So there is always room for negotiation. So now when you make a deposit, it is your holding deposit, so that the seller will feel confident with you. Now your deposit has to transfer bank to bank into the seller's bank account, so that when you transfer, then it would reflect the cash inflow. So the central bank will say, where is the deposit of the buyer? Where is the receipt? So if there is no receipt and then you back out, the gold of the owner of the seller would not be taken out of central bank. The gold can be confiscated. So everything must be documented. So the gold will be brought to the central bank, yes, because everybody has to go to the central bank. So the owner of the gold is a licensee.
Okay.
See?
Okay. That's our new rules. Eh?
That is not the new rules. That is old rules.
Yeah.
Some of the seller,
old rules. Okay.
some of the seller are fly-by-night seller. Yes. And there's a lot of fly-by-night seller in Africa, either Sierra Leone, either in Ghana, either in Gambia, either in Mali, either in Kampala, either in Nairobi, either in Guinea-Conakry. There are a lot of fly-by-night seller. Why I call that?
The fly-by-night seller.
Yeah.
Explain it to me.
Okay, why I call them fly-by-night seller? They don't have a license. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. I call that fly-by-night. They have the gold. They mine the gold into their property, but they don't have a license. Then, if you're gonna deal with them, they will ask you to pay on the spot because they are scared. Okay? So, you need to find the exporter. I've been to Conakry. I was talking to the exporter. I know ins and out. And I went to the airport in Sky Cargo as well. You cannot just take the gold without commercial invoice. You cannot you cannot cash and carry. Must have full export documentation and invoice, because if you're gonna cash and carry hold, the custom will seize your gold and then you're gonna be arrested as a smuggler.
Okay.
So don't cut corner. Do not cut corner. Okay.
Okay. I will read this quite well. Oh yeah. The price I saw is 8%.
That's correct.
Will be 8%.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the price can be negotiable if I'll convince, because when I'm satisfied with the buyer, okay, I need to talk to the buyer because I need to have.
I will read it first. I will read it first to have more information.
That's correct.
Then I will send it to them.
Yeah.
Then I will send it to them and ask them what they want.
Yes.
If they want, they can also have a TTM with you.
Yes. Or you create a group chat. You create a group chat on WhatsApp so that the buyer can ask question. This is what you have to ask the buyer, because I know your position as an agent. You need to ask the buyer how long you've been searching for gold. This is the first question. How long you've been searching for gold? What is the purpose that you are going to buy? Because gold has many uses. So your buyer say, "Oh, Selena, I want to buy gold Doribar to make into jewelry." Perfect. I want to buy gold to refine into 99.99. Perfect. Because gold can be refined. If you want to buy refined gold, you can buy that to the central bank. The central bank needs also gold. That is why they're buying. They're buying gold from the miner. If you go on my platform on Facebook, you can see everything there. I want you to take time to watch the video, read the procedure, because time to time, I update the price of the day. So you don't need to rush. You don't need to be excited, because this is $1 million worth of business. 100 kilos, 100 kilos you mentioned to me, 100 kilos times $98,000. That is, that is big money, $98 million.
That's very big money.
Yes.
Big money. Yes, of course.
So the buyer want to know as well the background of the seller, and the seller wanted to know as well the background of the buyer.
The background.
Yes. Wilhelmina is the gatekeeper. I am the gatekeeper, and I have the power to reject you and your buyer's agent. I have the power. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, that's good information. Wilhelmina is your name,
My real name is Wilhelmina. I'm Mrs. Ford. I'm married to Ford. Yeah.
Mrs. Yeah, Mrs. For.
That's right.
It's a quite good information you have given me, and I will go back to the buyer with the information you sent me, and I will what I want to know if they want to have the TTM with you or have a conference call.
Conference call first. Conference call first. Yeah, conference call first, yes. Because I need to interview the buyer. Why he wants gold. Where to be delivered. I need to know.
Yeah. And first, you will speak with the buyer mandate.
Yes.
The mandate from Japan. You will speak with him, and but maybe let me see.
Why not just create a group chat together with you and the buyer's agent of Japan?
Yes, I will make a group chat. And I have the group chat already. I will add you in it when I read all your information. Then we can speak. We can speak together.
Okay.
We can speak, and you can advise them, and then after they read your information, then we can have the conference call and see how far we can come with this purchase of the gold.
Okay. By the way, in the beginning, how did you got my contact number when you?
No, your number I got by I was checking on Facebook. And when I check on Facebook, I saw your information last week, and so I thought, okay. And yesterday, I was on Facebook again, and I saw it again. So I thought, okay, I must call her because I got it. I checked, I added, and you were there. So I say by myself, okay, I have to call the lady.
That is my platform is just like a shop. That is a shop, online shop. I put everything. And the buyer has to read because that is for the benefit of the buyer's agent. If you work with the buyer, you need to read so that you can educate your buyer. Because Wilhelmina would not educate anymore. Okay? Everything is now on the platform. I purchase goods through Facebook. I advertise that we have the gold. I advertise. So, when the buyer come to my platform, I have to interview the buyer. My question to the buyer, how long you've been searching for gold? What you can, are you a buyer? Can you afford? Because my question is really very, very direct to the point.
Yes. Oh, yeah, you are the mandate of the seller, so you need to ask.
Yes.
All the questions.
Yes. And then I require the buyer.
It's your duty to do it.
Exactly. I require the buyer to show me a copy of his business registration, importation license, and money laundering certificate. The buyer has to apply. So where are the gold to be delivered? Where?
Yes, you need to know all those questions.
Yes.
All those questions you need to. The buyer is in Austria, so the goods has to be to Austria.
Okay.
In Europe.
He has to apply. He has to show that his money is free of illegal activity. He must have must have money laundering certificate that his money is not involved with money laundering. Yeah, because Africa is a red flag of gold laundering as well. So when you transfer from...
Are you also doing escrow?
No, we don't. We don't.
Oh, escrow. Oh.
This is only FOB. Yeah. Yeah. So that is how. So the buyer has to apply a certificate of money laundering. You can apply that online. Yeah. Because when you transfer the payment from Europe to Africa, the bank manager will ask you, why are you transferring $1 million in Africa? What is the purpose? So you're gonna show the contract that you are buying valued goods. The contract has to be shown to your bank manager, because bank manager will discourage you. Why are you transferring $98 million? What is that for?
What they have also bank money, but they have also escrow, and I don't know when they are used the escrow. I need to ask.
The reason why they're gonna escrow it, because they want to protect themselves. Okay, we don't deal with escrow. Why you gonna escrow it? Gold is money. What I encourage to everyone, okay, start a trial, because you don't know us and we don't know you. So when the buyer build his business relationship, second or third, then the seller said, okay, you perform, you are a good buyer. Yeah, we will discuss this on the second, on the third, but not on the beginning. No. Because there's some.
So you are also willing to present. To provide them the certification of the company.
Yes, everything.
And also you are willing to provide the CIS.
That's correct.
QIC.
Correct.
Okay.
Everything.
All right.
Everything.
Everything,
yeah?
Okay. Okay, I will let this. What time is it now?
Here in Australia, the time here is 9:47 in the evening.
9:47. Okay.
Just a moment, I'm gonna have a look with the gold price, because the gold price.
Are you going to bed now?
No, I close every day midnight because of the time difference.
Okay, so when they reach it, we can call you.
Yeah.
The conference call.
The time here. What time is it now in Netherlands?
Almost 2 o'clock.
Here is almost 10 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah. Here is PM, afternoon.
Here is in the evening.
We
are on May 27. May 27, 2025. I live in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia.
You live in Australia?
That's correct. I live in Australia.
Australia. Okay. That's good. Okay. Let me do my homework now.
Yes.
And make contact with the buyer mandate in this case.
Yeah.
And come back to you. Meanwhile, I will add you for the conference call. And see how far we can go with this. The maximum is gold you are supplying can be 1,000. Okay?
Yeah, 1,000. There is no maximum. As long as the buyer can afford to pay, there is no maximum.
1,000, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. And you can start with 100.
Yes, we can. Yeah. What you have to do, because you are now on my Facebook, keep visiting, because every day I update the price of the day. Okay, you can see the price.
It's not so well if it is
the price is volatile at the moment.
Normally the pricing are what I got from Ghana is up to 78. That is the highest one I've got.
Well, at the maybe that was the previous price. It depends on the price, and it depends on me.
Because they want fixed. What is the fixed price? Can you give me the fixed price?
I can fix it when I can fix it when I can see the background of the buyer, because the price can fix good only for 14 days. When the price is high, we cannot afford to give you a fixed price. But the discount, I can give you the discount because I am going to renegotiate the price on buyer's behalf. Yes. Yeah. And I do charge my extra service when I travel with the buyer. Okay? Because I need to
Okay.
assist the buyer on the ground. I cannot afford the buyer to travel without me. Because if there is a problem, it's very difficult because most of the buyer, they encounter a lot of issue. Yeah.
Okay, so you are on the ground for the buyer.
Correct.
In this case,
Correct.
if they are buying. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. But you cannot give me the fixed price from today.
No, I cannot give you the fixed price because you have not convinced me yet. I can only give you the fixed price when I look at the buyer's background and credential. Yes, I can.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. No, Wilhelmine, thank you very much. It's very, very good information. I never get so much information for the gold as I did now. Because since I'm not so well in the gold, I'm more with the petroleum oil.
Oh,
and,
I see.
Other, yes,
I see.
And copper and aluminium. But it is since 2 weeks. I'm
You're searching. I think if
somebody asked me, so I thought by myself, okay, why I can do it also.
I think we are now on digital. Everything now is on Facebook advertise. You can buy anything on Facebook. In fact, I buy all the necessary that I need via Facebook. They advertise. I also advertise that Africa is the main source of gold. Yes. But the procedure is very unique because I put everything that the buyer would not ask or send me the procedure. You just read it, take time, digest it. When you're happy, you come back. Because there is no pressure because you're buying $98 million here. Yes. Everything must be scrutinized. Yes.
There's a lot.
It is a lot. So that is the reason why I put everything on the platform. Take time, you receive my email, take time to read, digest it, and then get back to Wilhelmina. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, nice
Thank
talking
you
to you.
very much. And
all right.
Hopefully we can work together. And this buyer is a big buyer, so I hope we can work with him for a long time.
Yes.
I hope.
All right. Thank you very much, Selena.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, then goodbye.
Bye.
Good evening, everyone. I just have a conference with the buyer's agent from Netherlands. Now, today we are now on the digital. I interviewed the buyer via video call so that I could share it to the world. You don't need to be scared because we are now on digital. That is why Wilhelmina put everything on the social media in order for the buyer to understand. Now, if you are on Facebook, I want you to read it properly. If you search on YouTube, read it, digest it, listen to every video. Because this is for you if you are acting on behalf of your buyer. Buyer must educate that this is not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. This is not escrow. The buyer has to build his business relationship with us to my head office. Wilhelmina will reject you if you don't meet the criteria. Because I am the gatekeeper of the seller. At the same time, I am your business facilitator. When I travel with the buyer, I do charge my extra service to cover my travel cost. I charge $20,000 non-refundable. Last year, I do charge $15,000. Today, 2025, $20,000. Next year, 2026, I will charge any buyer that use my services $26,000. Why? That $25,000 or $26,000 will cover my travel cost. Now you have an option. If you cannot afford to pay my extra service, meaning to say you cannot afford to pay the gold. Very simple. If I am the buyer today, I have to listen. I have to read the procedure before we're going to send you the contract. Before you pay Wilhelmina her extra service to cover her expenses to travel with you. This is non-refundable. So better read the procedure, then you digest it, you come back to Wilhelmina. I want you to send me a letter of interest coming from the buyer. Send me a copy of your business registration, importation license, passport copy, and the proof of fund, your bank statement. Signify that you have $98 million. This is what my discussion with the lady from Netherlands. That the buyer want 100 kilos, send it to Austria. Well, we can ship it, but we need to have a contract. We need to validate the buyer, and the buyer will validate as well the seller. We will send you the information of the seller. I will determine which seller I'm going to take you, either in Mali, either in Gambia, Conakry, Sierra Leone. But I need to know your background so that I could position your order. Okay? Because there are so many street seller in Africa. Street seller means fly by night. They have the gold, but they don't have a license. You need to buy gold to a licensee to export to you. Do not buy gold that the seller have no license. It is very dangerous. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Time to time, you come back and find me on my YouTube channel or on my platform on Facebook. Every time I interview the buyer, it's always recorded. And live video conference. Don't be scared to be interviewed. And the minute that you are scared to me, you are really fly-by-night buyer as well, or fly-by-night agent. I am not a fly-by-night. This is my office. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. The gold is in Africa. The gold is in Gambia. The gold is in Mali. The gold is in Conakry, Guinea. The gold is in Sierra Leone. I will determine which seller I'm going to put you after you send me your credential. Before you will receive the credential of my head office, Wilhelmina will be the one to scrutinize you. You will receive a confirmation of your order. You have to state that on your letter of interest. There, Wilhelmina, I found you on YouTube. I found you on your Facebook. Please help us. We would like to buy 100 kilos or 200 kilos. This is the requirement that we need. We don't sell CIF. This is FOB bank to bank. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. By the way, our selling price, LBMA less 8%. Whatever the world market price today, you minus that, 8% tax included. Do not ask me, Wilhelmina, what is the price? The price is always on my platform. Read it, take time, then you come back to Wilhelmina to proceed your order. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Today is Tuesday. We'll catch up tomorrow.